In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to use the Copy Products feature on Shopify, an excellent tool that can save you immense time when duplicating product listings. This can be particularly useful when you have similar products or variations in your inventory. Let's start with the first step. Upon landing on the Shopify admin page, you will find multiple options available. Among these options, locate and click on the one named Products. This will take you to your product inventory page, where all your currently listed product details reside. Once you have accessed your product inventory, the next step is to select the product you wish to copy. Out of the assortment of products listed on this page, locate the one you wish to duplicate. To make the selection, simply click on the name of the product. Remember to ensure that you have selected the correct product before proceeding to the next step. Once you have selected a product, you will be taken to that specific product's page. This page displays a wealth of information about your selected product, from its pricing to its descriptions, images, and other related details. Now focus on the top right corner of this product page. Here you will see a button named Duplicate. Click on this button to create a copy of your chosen product. Once you click on the Duplicate button, the page will immediately refresh to display a new product page. This page will resemble the original product page you selected initially, and all the information from the precedent product will be carried over. However, it should be noted that this is the stage where you can edit the details of your new product to differentiate it from the original. You can modify the title to a new unique name to distinguish the new product. Additionally, the status of the product can also be altered to draft or active as needed. The other details such as product description, image, or pricing can also be modified in this step as per your specific requirements. Feel free to experiment with the product details until you are satisfied with the changes. After making all your edits and you are content with the new information, it's time to save your new product. To do this, locate the Save button and give it a click. Voila! You have successfully copied a product in Shopify. The new product is now ready and saved in your product inventory. Learning how to use the Copy Products feature on Shopify can effectively streamline your product listing process and boost your productivity. Keep practicing and familiarizing yourself with these steps, and the process will become second nature in no time. Happy selling!